that studio.
Jehovah's Witness.
He's inside.
Good morning. I'm Woody Finch. I'm calling on you and your neighbors today to spread the good news of Jehovah God and his kingdom. I know you worldly people are in here, and I can coax you out of hiding with a beautiful hymn from my Watchtower Bible. Our creed is the correct one, but not everyone knows. So Jehovah choseth us to go out and impose. He really, really wants you to join.
This plan isn't working. We need to stop at the psychological warfare and move on to plan B. Search and convert.
Follow me.
Say, Woody, thought I heard something over yonder.
Jay, did you see anything?
Nah, that aisle's about as empty as the Old Testament.
Gosh darn it!
How could you throw your Watchtower Bible like that?
I'm sorry, Jay. I guess I let some demons out.
I'll get the Bible.
Jay! Convert her! Convert her! Convert her!
Woody, I got great news. My uncle Tarek Salahi just texted me. He said him and Michelle could get us into the White House.
Tarek? Salahi?
The White House. Let's go get him.
That is swell news, golly! What are we waiting for?
Let's go get him.
Let's go convert the president! Racy there!